All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start my presentation. First of all, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to present PV Parkway. I would like to start with a very basic fact figures. So Canadian homes and buildings account for 13% of national greenhouse gas emissions. If you include cooling, lighting, and appliances electricity, this total reaches up to 18%. Another interesting fact, Canada has over 3 gigawatts of solar installations, but only 1.5% of these installations are solar powered homes. Why is that? How to reshape Canadian homes as solar stations with zero capital? I would like to share with you. First, we would like to start with a couple of key problems. So it is not feasible for a homeowner to invest over $10,000 of solar atop his house with questions over its ROI and lack of integrative aesthetics. If you further probe into this, we will realize that a financing model which raises questions over ownership of operations and maintenance is pertinent when it comes to residential solar systems. Well, someone has to pay for the system, which results in solar companies charging high interest rates when it comes to financing models. And this is where we present our end-to-end solution, PV Parkway. We propose to design a leasing model where a customer has to pay a consistent linear tariff for the agreement tenure. You only pay for the solar rent, zero down payment, zero operations cost, and that happens to be around 20% less than your existing hydro's electricity bills. Now, how we make money out of this? First of all, let me share with you some key characteristics of our technology. So perovskite solar, as compared to silicon solar, can be manufactured in less than $40 per square meter, which is roughly 50% reduced from the silicon-based solar cells that are manufactured. This margin of cost cutting helps us in devising a leasing renting model to accommodate more solar adoptions. Here I would like to present to you a traction forecast, which is going to portray how we are going to make money out of this. What is our plan, revenue-based plan for this? So our capital expense for 50 solar systems is proposed to be $125,000. We propose to set up a revenue-based system where each homeowner pays around $1,500 per year, which happens to be around $140 to $150 per month, which is still less than the hydro's electricity bills that townhouses pay. We also offer buyout and transfer options according to the lease period that they are signed for. Our break-even point for our systems is reached in 3.5 years, and whereas our tenure for the leasing model is 10 years. Coming to the size of the market, there are around 14.6 million homes in Canada, out of which 5.6 million are townhouses, which is our serviceable available market. And around 30% of these homes have their electricity bills, monthly bills, of $150. This is our obtainable service market. Key value proposition for homeowners here will be that we will project $5,000 of direct savings within 10 years. As you can see, the hydro's bill has been increasing for the past 10 years at a rate of 1.9%. We offer a linear standard tariff for the next 10 years without any down payment and without any operations cost, because it's our plant. So the operations and maintenance will be carried out by PV Parkway. Our go-to-market plan is to tie up with a solar manufacturer. We have the patented IP for the perovskite polymer composites, and we will be licensing manufacturing rights to big players like Canadian Solars, who already they are engaged in manufacturing solar systems for a lot of other EPCs as well. Our pilot project includes 100 homes for the KWC region, with an expansion in provinces which are faster break-evens like Saskatchewan and Alberta, will also support incentives and tax rebates. We would also like to target new market segments such as condominium buildings, where we can offset the common area electricity costs and also various townships. Coming to competitor analysis, this is a perceptual map of our key competitors in this business. As you can see, some of these companies like HTS PV and Quadro Power are very well-established players in the residential solar market, while players like Tesla come up with solar shingles and roofing systems. But one thing that is missing from all of these companies is a feasible solar leasing model, which again is only possible when you can mitigate your costs, which PV Parkway does because of our 50% reduction in manufacturing costs. Our strategy compass revolves around a very key important part of this. The strategy compass is value chain, where we have to collaborate with roofing contractors and solar design engineers. Now, this part is crucial because this can cause adversity as well in the future. Therefore, a strong distribution model is necessary. Here's our team, Dr. Vivek Maheshwari, whom we are indebted to for inventing this polymer composite technology. Myself, Angad Singh Vora, and my teammates Ashmeet Singh and Satvik Surya Arora, who happen to be my batchmates at University of Waterloo, and they have an intention to revolutionize the way we consume clean energy in this world. Concluding, the second best day to contribute towards climate change is today. The best day was yesterday. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'll like to have some questions.
Thank you.